Hey, it's Brady, Theodore, the Gotti of marketing, and here we are at the threshold of 2020. And what are you doing to cross that line, to be more profitable, to get your message out, to have people know, like, and trust you? Probably nothing, but I've got the perfect answer for you, and you don't even know it. You're going to know it because by you watching this video right now, you are in my audience. You're with me forever, folks. So get used to it. Come back and see me, or I'm going to come see you, one of the two. If you want to learn how to do exactly what I'm doing to you right now, to boost your business, to increase sales, to be profitable in 2020, come see me now. Come see me. Get it down below, that link. Touch it, grab it, poke it, prod it, do something. Don't wait for 2021.